So loud, dude. Let me get out the way before he hits me. Right there. Watch walking across. Cop right there. He's braking. No. He's going straight. Excuse me? Excuse me?
Why are you filming me? You don't have my permission. Why are you filming me? Yeah, good question. Excuse you, yes.
Excuse me.
What are you doing?
I'm filming because it's public property.
Do you have my permission to film me?
There's a cop behind us. We gotta go.
That parking? I'm not driving that. He's definitely coming here, bro.
Close the windows. Close the windows.
What the heck was that?
What was that? Was that over there? That was Expo semi-truck. It's up there. You gotta go
around.
Over there. That's like the older.
Older Charger, I believe.
Yeah.
Probably scared.
That is very loud. Yo, sound good, huh? Yep. That's CLS. CLS power. What do you rate that 1 through 10?
Put me on Facebook.
This is Facebook Live right now.
Oh, no, I'm in prison, man.
You're in prison?
Yeah.
Why?
Just because I am, they'll take me back. I'm in work release.
Oh, but you're not supposed to be out here?
No, I am. I just can't be on Facebook.
Oh, this isn't Facebook.
Don't put me on no phone. They'll take me back to prison, bro.
This is for YouTube. I'm gonna post it like in 3 months from now. Is that cool?
No, they'll take me back, bud.
Alright, I won't post it.
Okay.
Just recording for my safety. Hey, I like your hat, Milwaukee.
Thanks.
You have a good day.
You too.